Directions for Week 11, Module 9, Multi-Application Conversion 2. Open up the Employee Wellness document, the Word document, the PowerPoint, and the Excel. Before you save the Excel spreadsheet, choose Page Layout, go to Themes, and select a different theme. And then Save and Close. Do the same thing in PowerPoint, Design, Theme. Select the same theme, save and submit. Save and close, and then go to the Word document and select the same design, theme. The first thing I'm going to do is just widen the title a little bit so that it fits all on one line. Above Employee Benefits is where I want the PowerPoint slide. So Insert, Object, Create from File, go to your files where you just saved your PowerPoint, make sure it's closed. Make sure you click Link to File and OK. Then click between both, before you go to both paragraphs, because we're going to need this on another page. Campus Health Center, you can do Control Enter, so it goes on to another page. And in the blank space under Employee Benefits is we'll get the spreadsheet. So Insert, Object, Create from File. Go ahead and get the file that you make sure you click Link to File and OK. Double click so that you're active in the Excel spreadsheet. And then select all of the contents. Control C for copy and then close. And then underneath the Campus Health Center, insert chart, pie, 3D, and OK. And again, you'll get the information that is just a starter. Click in A1 and Control V to paste. And then I'm going to choose Style 3 so that you can see information here. And the one we're going to change is the weights. It shouldn't be 120 in attendance, it should be just 20. So just click in that cell, type 20, and then you'll notice that the weights is purple. It's going to change to only 6%, and then close out of here. Double click in the data worksheet, and in the same cell just type 20 and enter, close, and save it. When you right click in here, you need to update the field, and it's changed to 20. So let's view multiple pages. You should have your title, your PowerPoint slide, your Excel spreadsheet, and your pie chart. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.